Welcome to English with the Bexleys.
Okay, everyone. Next week is the school holiday. Where are we going?
Holiday! Yay!
Really? That's amazing! I really need a vacation.
A holiday? That sounds amazing, Dad!
How about a cruise ship? It is so romantic and relaxing. A big ship on the sea.
It looks great, Mary. But it's $2,000 per person. It's the most expensive option.
You always think about money, John.
I think about our memories, Mary. We can see the world, not only the ship.
Romantic clickbait.
What about a ski trip? We can snowboard!
Snowboard? That sounds fun!
We can go to the Alps by train. What a great trip!
I think it is the most beautiful ski resort in the world.
I don't like that idea. I want to swim. We can go to Seaside.
Timmy, it is early for the sea. We can go to Seaside in the summer.
What about a city trip? We can visit a beautiful city.
Which city?
Prague.
Prague? Where is it?
It is in Europe. It looks beautiful.
What can we do there?
We can see the biggest castle in the world. It is huge.
And we can walk on the oldest bridge in the city, Charles Bridge.
I want to take the most beautiful photos of the city.
Are there any animals, Daddy?
Yes, Timmy. In the old town square, you can see many pigeons. You can feed them.
Yay!
What about the food? I am curious about the local food.
We can try traditional dishes like goulash.
That sounds nice. I like trying new dishes.
And tredelnik is the most popular dessert in Prague.
Okay, let's plan. First, we book a hotel.
Book? Like a book?
No, not a book. Book means reserve.
Yes, we reserve a room in a hotel.
Oh, book means reserve.
Look! I found a hotel!
Oh, it looks nice. How much is it?
Only $60 per night.
For all of us? That is very cheap.
Yes, it is the cheapest hotel. And it says 10 minutes to the old town.
What is the old town?
The old town is the historical part of the city. It has the oldest buildings and the most beautiful square in Prague. We will spend a lot of time there.
10 minutes to the old town. How?
By metro?
10 minutes is very close.
Yes, very close.
I hope it is really 10 minutes.
Come on, Mary. It's the best deal.
Okay. Let's book it.
Yes, I booked the last room. The cheapest room.
How do we go to Prague?
We can go there by plane. A plane is the fastest way to travel.
Let's check the tickets.
Oh, this one is so cheap. Only $20 for one person.
This will be the best holiday.
Why is it cheap?
I don't know. It should be a promotion.
Maybe they don't serve meals.
Maybe.
Don't we get food?
We will see.
10 minutes later.
I am ready.
Already?
What is in your bag?
My toys. Only toys? Yes, they are important.
No, Timmy. We need clothes. You can take only one toy. The smallest one.
5 days later. Hoodies. Pants. Socks.
Don't forget your jacket.
Oh, I will wear this one. This is my coolest jacket. What about Buddy? Buddy is coming!
No, Buddy stays here.
Why? He will get bored.
We will take him to Grandma and Grandpa.
They have a dog, too. Buddy will play with him.
Really?
Yes.
Okay. Buddy has a holiday too.
Okay, we are ready. Let's go.
First stop, Grandma and Grandpa.
Then, the airport! Let the adventure begin! Stay tuned!